Good afternoon again. Good afternoon, midday, all of you American people, including also, um, good afternoon, midday to all of you people from United Kingdom, especially good morning to all of you Australian people in Sydney, since the time is 6:02 NT Meridian AM, and including also good afternoon as well to the people of London, United Kingdom, 9:02 post meridian PM, including good morning as well for all of you people from Brisbane in Australia and the rest of the world. So today we're going to discuss, about the Wahl cordless detailer, and now I can show it to you, the box, what's inside in the professional stuff. By the way, um, the Wahl hair clipper, or the Wahl trimmer, by the way, it is a specially trimmer that I purchased. This is absolutely a high quality product, by the way. A beautiful T-white blade, underwriter certification, applied. So it has a good stuff here. And the beneficial of this product is absolutely the best. The Wahl hair clipper, or the Wahl, cordless detailer, has also uh, a blade guard, which is absolutely the same applied to. This is a 5-star Wahl cordless detailer. So I show it to you with the power on it, and so it says the birthplace of Wahl hair clippers, established in 1919, Sterling, Illinois. By the way, you have an adapter from Wahl that you can have access to adapter heads in different kinds, because you can also have adapter heads replacements for the Wahl corded adapter, by the way. So it's certified for CE marking Europe and also South Korea, and also CS, and also other certifications, Australia, including the rest of the world. So we do have also United Kingdom, Canada, especially Canada and United States. But except for Mexico, I don't see any Mexican certification, by the way. So now that I show you my, you know, the adapter that comes with the hair clipper, now I'm going to have to show you the CE marking Chinese hair clipper, the professional trimmer that's really Chinese. So this is Chinese. So this is absolutely the best thing that you can have. By the way, it doesn't have no blade guard, by the way. So let me give you the hits about this product. The Chinese product that I purchased, by the way, in Temu for my mom, it has the same, shape of a Wahl T cordless detailer blade. So here you have the same blade as this one. So I can see they look quite similar. And if I place this into the Chinese No, it will not fit. But by the way, it does fit. But anyway, it does fit a little bit. But it can fit only in the cami trimmer. By the way, this is more metal, product than I used to see. Now this is an American stuff. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5-star. So this could might be like a KO, Chinese hair clipper. And the name of the manufacturer is Ningbo Casol International Trade Company Ltd. And the address is absolutely 117 Changshu East Road, Yangzhou District, Ningbo, China, Zhejiang Province, China. So it complies with Federal Communications Commission. So this has also comply with Federal Communications Commission. And by the way, I'm going to see if I can use the Whoop Connect into this adapter, by the way. No, the cordless charger. The charger, by the way, so I just show it to you, but anyway, let me give you a hint. And the American has more power. So this is a Chinese KO, 5-star hair clipper trimmer. By the way, this is less louder. This is a little bit louder. So I can see this is a little bit louder because the American 5 star Wahl detailer, it has an authentic power. And I can show you that we have Wahl detailer red guide combs and a screwdriver set, and a zero gapping set and blade oil. We also have instruction manuals. We have them here. And also we have a charging stand. So here goes the charging stand. Oh, here it is. So here's the charging stand. And here's also, wow, amazing stuff. You got a charging stand, and also, it is also the same thing to apply to any kind of product that you need. So it has the same thing as well. So one more thing to discuss before I sign off from this video. By the way, my advice is I'm going to do something that I'm going to give you this example for before you buy any Wahl cordless detailers at a beauty supply. You better watch out and look out for absolutely the Chemi, cordless detailers, because let me give you an example. This also has a designing. If you can see the counterfeitings and designs of a hair clipper, Take a look at the image. It looks quite the same as a Wahl the tailor. So this is not absolutely a Wahl the tailor in Cami stuff. The reason they haven't counterfeiting, they put the word professional and it does not say Wahl the tailor, but instead this product is more absolutely fake because it is a replica. Because you can see if you put it in the back of the product will show you CE marking and the cordless detailer. This is the real one, but the cord detailer can give you the truth. So here's absolutely here's the fake adapter of the Wahl, but the Cami, the tailor, which is, a replica of the Wahl, the tailor. So here you have a cleaning brush and there's no blade oil. This is how the fake one looks. This is how a USB powered, charger looks like. So this is how it looks. This is how a Cami, cordless trimmer looks like in the original stuff. But if the Wahl cordless the tailor, let me give you, so this one is the real one that I'm showing you in the picture in Google. So that one is the real one. This one is also authentic. And the other one is absolutely, the Cami is the fake one from China. The other one is the real one. The other one in the left is the real Wahl cordless the tailor. The other one is a Chinese. So that's all I need to say. That's all that I have to advise you. And anyway, make sure to please give a super big like. And make sure to give a special comments. What do you think and believe most about this product anyway? And this video is dedicated to hairstylists and hairdressers from Australia, Albury, Sydney, New South Wales, Adelaide, South Australia, Banbury, United Kingdom, and also London, South Hampshire, United Kingdom, Scotland and Wales, Glasgow, and the rest of the world, Europe, Moldova, Romania, Italy, France, Canada, Sweden, and also Switzerland, and also Norway, especially the rest of Europe, including also Czech Republic, Czechoslovakia, Poland. Everybody is welcome to this video. God bless you. And this video is going to be dedicated to American barbers like 360 GZ, Chris Bossio, Larry the Barberman, and also other American barbers like David Warren, Dave King, Los Angeles, from California. Anyway, all of you barber YouTubers are welcome to this video. So, y'all have a blissful day. Y'all have a blissful morning day for all of you people from Australia. And see you soon to the next video.